everyone. We're going to differentiate the function y given. This is a natural exponential function. So here we go. We're going to use the quotient rule, and we're also going to use our differentiation rules for natural exponential functions. So you write y prime, and it's going to be the denominator times the derivative of the numerator. So you just take each piece, derivative of e to the u is just this one. That's e to the u power minus, and then for this one, the derivative of negative u is just negative 1. So we're going to write this as negative e to negative u. All right. Now let's do the second part. You do minus, and we write down the numerator, e to the u minus e to the negative u times derivative of the denominator. So that's just going to be e to the u power minus e to the negative u. All right. Now what I want to do is go ahead and change this right here to a positive. And then we're going to FOIL all this out, or distribute it out, and expand everything. And that's going to give you, the first piece is e to the tu power plus, this is going to be e to the 0 power. This one's going to be plus e to the 0 power. Remember, when you have e to the u times e to the negative u, that's just e to the u minus u. So that's where you get your 0. And then the last one's going to be plus e to the negative 2u. All right. Now minus, and then we're going to FOIL this out. So you're going to get e to the 2u minus e to the 0 minus e to the 0 power plus e, two negatives here, e to the negative 2u power. All right, and this is all divided by, for your quotient property, your denominator squared. And square it. All right, now let's clean up the numerator. So basically, I'm going to distribute that negative. So you get e to the 2u. I'll go ahead and add these, plus 2e to the 0 plus e to the negative 2u. And then let's subtract minus e to the 2u. This is going to be minus 2e to the 0. So two negatives are going to make a positive. So positive 2e to the 0 power. And then we have minus e to the negative 2u. All divided by e to the u power plus e to the negative u squared. Now let's look at this before we move on. Is there anything we can cancel out? Or we can cancel these out, and also these two. So basically 2 of these plus 2 of these is 4 of these. So finally we get this equals 4e to the 0 power divided by e to the u plus e to the negative u squared. And of course, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So our final answer is 4 divided by e to the u power plus e to the negative u power squared. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.